Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on knowing our numbers. For this you can refer our textbook page number 24. Let's start our today's session. What is our first question? Fill in the blanks using Roman numerals. There are some statements you need to identify which answer is correct, apt for the particular statement, okay? And then you need to write it in Roman numerals. A week has dash days. How many days are there for a week, children? There are 7 days. Okay? How will you write 7 in Roman numerals? How will you write 7 in Roman numerals? What is the Roman numeral for 5? It is V. And what is the Roman numeral for 1? I. And one more Roman numeral for 1. Okay? V-I-I, 7. V means 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So, what will you write here? A week has, how many days a week has? 7 days. How will you write it? 7. Okay? So, what is the next one? A year has dash days. How many days a year has? A year has 365 days. How will you write 365 here? 365. 365. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. What is the Roman numeral to represent 100? C, right? C represents 100. How many times I need to write C? 300 means 3 times. C, C, C. What is the next one? Tens digit. What is the digit in tens? 6. 60. 60 means, how will you write? L, X. Why I am writing LX? L represents 50, X represents 10. LX represents 50 plus 10, 60. What is the last digit? 5. How will you write 5? V. Okay. So, what is the Roman numeral to represent 365? C, 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 L, X, V. Okay. So, how many days are there in a year? There are 365 days. How will you write 365? C, 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 L, X, V. Okay, children? A year has 365 days. Like this, you need to represent the given number in Roman numerals and you can fill the given statement. Okay, let's move to the second question. State whether each statement is true or false and tick the correct answer. There are some statements. Statements means here we have given some Roman numeral and its corresponding Hindu-Arabic numeral. Whether they are mapped correctly or not, you need to identify and then you need to decide the given statement is true or false. What is the given Roman numeral? IX. IX means, I means 1, X means 10. You are writing before X, means you are subtracting. So, what is the number you will obtain here? 9. So, what is the Hindu-Arabic corresponding Hindu-Arabic numeral given? 9, which is correct. So, you will tick the true. So, the given statement is true. IX represents 9. Second one, CML equal to 200. What is C? C means 100, M means 1000, L means 50. If you are writing small number before the big number, 1000 before C means you are subtracting C from M, that is 100 from 1000. 1000 minus 100 is 900. Okay. What is L? It is 50. So, you will write 950. This number, this Roman numeral represents 950. What is the given number? 200. Is it a true statement then? No, it is false. So, you need to tick false. Okay. CML means 1000 minus 100, 900 plus L, 50. So, 950. But the given is 200, which is not equal. This is a false statement. Okay children, let's solve the next question. What is the next one? What numbers do these Roman numerals stand for? There are some Roman numerals. What are the Roman numerals provided? L, X, X, V, I. Okay, how many times I was written? 3 times. L 1 time, X 2 times, V 1 time, right. So, what number you will get here? 50 plus X means 10 plus again X 10 plus V means 5 plus 1 I 3 times. So, how many V's? 3. Okay. What is the number represented by this Roman numeral? 50 plus 10 plus 10, 70, 75, 78. Okay children. So, what is the number you will write here? 78. 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 5, 75, 75 plus 3, 78. So, this is the Roman numeral and its related Hindu-Arabic numeral. So, what is the next one? CX. C means 100. X is its right hand side, right? C after X is there. Okay? C after X means 100 plus X means how much? 10. What is the Hindu-Arabic numeral for this? 110. CX means 110. Okay. What is the next question? Write the Roman numerals for each of the following. Here you are provided with 2 Hindu-Arabic numbers. You need to convert them to Roman numerals. What are the Roman numerals for these numbers? 523. How many hundreds are there? 5. See, you can repeat only 3 times. After that, there is a particular alphabet for 500. What is that alphabet, children? D. Am I correct? D. D represents 500. What is the next digit? 2. 2 is in tens place. So, that is 20. How will you represent 20? X, X. So, what is the next one? Ones place digit? 3. How will you represent 3? I. 3 times I. Okay. So, what is the Roman numeral for this 523? D, X, X, I. Okay. Like this, you have to convert the given Hindu-Arabic number to its Roman numeral. What is the second one? 314. How will you represent 300? 3 times C. What is the Roman numeral for 100? C. So, you have to represent C for 3 times 1. 1 is in the tens place. 10 means you will write X. 4. 4 means how will you write? I, V. Because you cannot write I more than 3 times. So, how will you represent 4? 5 minus 1. I, V. So, what is the Roman numeral for this 314? C, X, I, V. Okay, children? Right. What is the next question? Fill the blanks with Roman numerals. What are the given blanks? Let us see. First one, your class. In which class are you studying, children? You are studying in 5th class. So, how will you represent 5? The digit 5? You have to write V. How will you represent the digit 5? V. What is the next question? Your age. What is your age? I am considering that your age as 10 years. How will you represent the number 10? X. How will you represent the number 10? X. So, what is the third one? Your favorite digit from 1 to 9. You have to select your favorite digit. It may differ, children. You may like the digit 4, 8, 6, whatever the digit you want, you select in between 1 to 9 and you write it in Roman numerals. For instance, I am considering that my favorite digit is 8. How I will write 8? V I This is 8. Okay, children. So, my favorite digit is 8. So, I am representing it as V I. Okay, like this you can take any favorite digit between 1 to 9 and you can represent it in Roman numerals. Thank you, children. Do practice at home.